Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
Mommy, where are Muskan and Sarah? I did not see them from couple of hours.
Their friend, Fatima, came to play. They are playing in their bedroom. We need to check on them. It is so silent from some time.
Silence is always scary. Don't know what naughty things they are doing.
You are correct, Daddy. We will go and check on them now.
It's so boring. Shall we play Imitate game? What is Imitate game all about, Sarah? Fatima, it is a fun game. We have to imitate a person whom we know. We can imitate anything, like how they walk, or we can imitate what they frequently do. Okay, sounds fun. Let's do it. Then who will go first? Me. So Muskan, who are you imitating? I am going to imitate Kareem uncle. I am going to show how he walks. Okay. Let's start. Wow! It's so cool. It's exactly how Kareem uncle walks. Now I will show how Auntie Abra coughs all the time. Wow! Fatima. Now it's my turn. I will show how Hamza scratches all the time. This game is so much fun.
Muskan and Sarah, what were you guys playing? We just saw you guys imitating someone.
Yes, Mommy. We were playing Imitate game. In that we can imitate anyone we know, such as how they walk or eat or anything else. It's so much fun.
What you girls were doing is not right at all. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, I don't like to imitate anyone, even this much. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said this by showing his tip of his hand. We should never imitate others. Uncle Kareem walks like that because he is very old. Auntie Abra coughs all the time as she is sick. And finally, Hamza scratches all the time as he got allergies. All of them have one issue or the other. It might look fun for you guys, but you are making fun of Allah's creation, which is very bad.
Oh. Okay, Mommy. Inshallah, we will never imitate anyone again. We are very sorry for our behavior. Please forgive us.
You girls need to sincerely ask forgiveness from Allah. And inshallah, Allah the most merciful will definitely forgive you guys.
Allah, please forgive us. We will never imitate anyone again.
Mashallah, my darlings. Now who wants some treats?
Me. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.